Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you where can you locate 120 FPS option for Fortnite Xbox Series. In order to do it, you simply want to make sure to watch this video right till the end. Now before you could use 120 FPS in your Fortnite, you'll have to enable 120 S set. So what you have to do is you want to turn on Xbox Series X console, then close Fortnite completely. After which you just need to press the Xbox button on your controller and navigate to Profile and System tabs. Then you want to scroll down and locate Settings, and once again under Settings you'll be able to find General, and there you'll be able to see or select TV and display options. Once you've actually done it, select 4K TV details to see a list of modes that your TV supports. After which you simply want to back out of the 4K TV details and select refresh rate and TV and display options. As you've done it then select 120 Edge set. Your screen will refresh and once again you'll see a Xbox user interface and have successfully enabled 120 Edge set. Now additionally, what you need to do is you want to open Fortnite, then click on the menu icon in the top right corner of your screen. Next, you simply want to go ahead and click on Settings, go to Video, and on the video section you want to simply toggle 120 FPS mode to toner. This is how you could do it. Now click on apply and the changes are saved. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.